Hello students, today in practical geometry chapter 4 we will study how to construct quadrilateral. In the last topic we have constructed quadrilateral with the help of three sides and two diagonals, and I have shown you how to construct quadrilateral and rhombus also. In last topic we have discussed the property of rhombus, that is diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Now in today we will discuss how to construct quadrilateral with the help of two adjacent sides and three angles. With the help of two adjacent sides and three angles. In exercise 4.3 we will construct quadrilateral with the help of two sides and three angles. Look here, exercise 4.3 question number 1 first. Look here everybody, quadrilateral MORE, quadrilateral MORE, where MO equal to 6 centimeter, MO equal to 6 centimeter, OR equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle M equal to 60 degree, angle O equal to 105 degree, and angle R equal to 105 degree. Okay, look here, two sides given and three angles, 1, 2, 3, three angles given. Then how will you construct quadrilateral with the help of two sides and three angles? I have told you earlier, I am telling you again, that before constructing quadrilateral you have to draw a rough figure. MORE, this is your rough figure. MORE. Look here, what is the base of this quadrilateral? Base of this quadrilateral is MO. What is the length of MO? MO equal to 6 centimeter. So first you draw MO with the help of compass and ruler. MO equal to 6 centimeter. Now angle M equal to how much? 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Angle O 105 degree. Angle R is also 105 degree. Okay. So how will you construct angle M and angle O? Angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree. How will you construct? Now in class 6 you have already studied how to construct angles with the help of ruler and compass. I am telling you again in class 8. Look here. Construction of 60 degree at point M. At point M you just keep your compass. At point M you keep your compass. Draw an arc. Same arc you have to cut. The arc which you have taken first, same arc now you have to keep your compass here and cut this arc. This is your 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This means angle M equal to 60 degree. Now angle O equal to how much? 105 degree. Then how will you construct 105 degree? Now look here, how will you construct angle O? Now you keep your compass at point O, draw an arc. Draw any arc, but you have to take a small arc that is suitable. Now you just keep your compass here, cut this same arc which you have taken first, same arc you have to take here. This is 60 degree. Now you keep your compass here, this is 120 degree. You have to keep your compass here, this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now you keep your scale like this, 90 degree, and just you put a tick mark here. Tick mark here on this arc, on the original arc. You have to tick mark here. This is the marking of 90 degree. Now you keep your compass here and cut this. This is your 105 degree. This is 105 degree. Okay. Now what is this length? OR. What is the length of OR? 4.5 centimeter. OR equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now you keep your compass at O, take the length of 4.5 centimeter, cut it, name it here R. Name it here R. OR equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now again at point R you have to construct 105 degree. Again at point R you have to construct 105 degree. Again look here, how you construct? You keep your compass at R, this point at R. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Now keep your compass here. Cut the same arc. This is 60 degree. Now you keep your compass here. This is 120 degree. Now you keep your compass here. This is 90 degree. Now you keep your scale like this. This is the arc of 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay. This is 90 degree. Now you keep your compass here. Keep your compass here on this point and cut this. This is your 105 degree. Now you raise this. This is your this is your point of intersection. You can write here E M O R E. Your quadrilateral is completed with the help of two sides MO and OR, angle M, angle O, angle R. Three angles and two sides helps us to construct a quadrilateral. Now this is your question number 1 first. Now in the same way you have to do question number 1 second. 1 second you have to do in the same way. What is the difference between question 1 first and 1 second? I am telling you, just I am giving you an idea. But with the help of this idea you can construct this quadrilateral. I am not solving these questions, but I am giving you an idea how to construct. Look here, you have to construct quadrilateral PLAN, where PL is given. PL is how much given? PL equal to 4 centimeter given. 4 centimeter. Now angle P, angle A, angle N given. Angle P equal to how much given? 90 degree. Angle P equal to 90 degree. You just keep your compass at point P. This is 60 degree. Draw an arc. This is 60 degree. This is 120 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. P equal to 90 degree. Now angle L is not given. In your question second, angle L is not given. Then how will you find out angle N? Look here. You know the sum of angles of a quadrilateral, that is 360 degree. When you add all the 4 angles of quadrilateral, you will get 360 degree. Angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N equal to 360 degree. Angle P how much? 90 degree. Angle L is unknown. Angle A is given. What is angle A given? 110 degree. 110 degree. Angle N how much given? Angle N equal to 85 degree. 85 degree equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now 90 plus 110, that is 200, 285. Angle L plus 285 equal to 360 degree. Now angle L equal to 360. Angle L equal to 360 minus 285, that is 75 degree. This is angle L. It means at point L you have to construct 75 degree. And you know how to construct 75 degree? Look, I am telling you how to construct. At point L you just keep your compass, draw an arc. This is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, this is 90 degree. Now you just keep your scale like this. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Okay. And now you keep your compass here and cut this arc. Cut this arc. This is your 75 degree. Angle L equal to 75 degree. Now PL equal to 4 centimeter. Angle L equal to 75 degree. Angle P equal to 90 degree. Now what is your next line segment? LA. LA equal to 6.5. Now you keep your compass at L. Take this. This is LA. 6.5 centimeter. LA equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now at point A you have to make what? How much degree? 110. So 110 degree you can draw with the help of protractor, because 110 degree is not the multiple of 15 degree. The angles which are multiples of 15 degree, only those angles we can construct with the help of compass and ruler. But angle A is 110 degree. Just you keep your protractor here. This is 110 degree. Now write down here N. PL, this is PLAN, quadrilateral is completed. Which property we have used here? What is the difference between question first and question second? In question first, both base angles are given, angle N and angle O. Angle M and angle O are given. Here both base angles are not given, only angle P given, but angle L is not given. So how we have got angle L? With the help of angle sum property of quadrilateral. We know that all the four angles add up to 360 degree. Okay, in this way you can do question 1 second also. You can do. Okay, now look here. I am telling you how to do question number 1/3. 1/3. Look here. How to do question number 1/3. 1/3. Look here, everyone. Look here. You have to construct parallelogram. HEAR. HEAR. Parallelogram. You have to construct parallelogram. PARALLELOGRAM. HEAR. This is parallelogram HEAR. How will you construct? Look here. What is given? HE. HE equal to 5 centimeter given. Okay. EA equal to 6 centimeter given. And angle R equal to 85 degree. 85 degree. Now look here. You know about parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Okay, these are the properties of parallelogram. Look here. This is parallelogram. HEAR. Look here. HEAR. H equal to how much? 5 centimeter. A equal to 6 centimeter. Angle R 85 degree. If this is 85 degree, this is also 85 degree. Why? Because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. You have studied in chapter 3. Okay. Then how you do it? First you draw HE. HE equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Now at point E you have to draw 85 degree. Why? Because angle R, angle E both are same. Angle R equal to 85 degree given, so angle E is also 85 degree. 85 degree you just draw with the help of protractor, because 85 degree is not the multiple of 15. So 85 degree you just keep your protractor here. Now you can construct 85 degree like this. 85. This is angle E 85 degree. Now what is this length? EA. EA equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Take EA. This is EA. Keep your compass here. EA equal to 6 centimeter. Now this is your AR. HE, what is HE and AR both are equal. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now AR equal to how much? HE equal to 5 centimeter. The AR is also 5 centimeter. Now you keep your compass at A. Cut it. This is AR. This is the length. This is the arc of AR. Now this is HR. HR equal to AE. A equal to 6 centimeter. The HR is also 6 centimeter. Now keep your compass at H. This is cut. This is HR. Now HEAR, your parallelogram is completed. HEAR. This is your parallelogram with the help of two sides and one angle. Okay, completed. Thank you.